Hey guys, it's Joey Taylor with Taylor Heating. Today we're going to be talking about electric water heaters and the heating elements and the energy consumption involved. Electric water heaters are a lot different than gas water heaters. They consume a lot more electricity because of a heating element that's used to heat the water. Inside of your electric water heater is the heating element. That turns on to keep the 40, 50, or 80 gallon water heater heated at all times. We find that the electric heating element inside of an electric water heater is the #1 thing that goes out. When we receive phone calls of diagnostics for electric water heaters, this is typically the problem that we find. If you have any questions or concerns with your heating element, feel free to reach out to us for a diagnostic. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel or check out our social media platforms for more tips and tricks.